We're cycling the Danube River, following the Eurovelo 6 from Germany to Romania.
Here we are, officially in Croatia. This is the queue for the Hungarian border on the Croatia side. Woo! Goes a bloody long way. This is the first town you come to in Croatia, and we just stopped for lunch. Of course they've got football straight away, just to remind us of that semi-final pain. Oh, another football pitch. Look at this. This is a tiny hamlet. Population 4. Super hot day as well, cycling through the Hungarian plain and then up over the hill down into Croatia. But whew, chill out time now, big time. Camping paradise, Haza. This is Suza camping just inside the border here in Croatia. Day 64, and today we're going from here, Suza, in Croatia, down to Carangrad, and that's basically in the far northeast corner of Croatia. And then the next day after that we go into Belgrade. No, we go into Serbia, and then Saturday we go to Belgrade. This campsite here was an absolute dream. It's really, really nice and small. There was only a couple other people here, and they're all really chilled and really quiet. So we're very happy. I slept about 9 hours last night, and feeling fresh and ready to go. We just now come into Vukovar, which is it's one of the cities basically right on the border of Croatia and Serbia. So the Danube is the only thing in the way between the two countries. And over here on the Croatia side that we're on at the moment, most of the houses have still got loads and loads of bullet holes in the side of the buildings, which is just unbelievable really. To think that there was still fighting going on here, 91 to 95, so really not that long ago.
So in 1991 in Vukovar, Croatia, where we are now, for 87 days of the battle of the town, the Serbians fired on average 12,000 shells and rockets per day into this town. So evidence of all of those bullet holes. Some of them have been covered up, some of them have been knocked down, but it's still really quite raw here.
Hazard just came out from shopping for dinner with a big bottle of Fanta. That's not going to fill me up for dinner, Haz. So Hazza, we reached Carangrad.
Carangrad, 100k exactly.
100k exactly,
yeah.
Nice.
This is where we're meant to be camping and buying dinner. There is a shop, there's a bar, but no campsite. So we're going to keep going to Ilok, the last town in Croatia. This way, 7 kilometers more, and find a cheap room and some nice dinner.
Hopefully. So we just went down into Ilok from the other town and expected to find the hostel. We did find the hostel, but it was closed, closed down. And now we're here, just ordering a pizza in this little place. Really cute. They've got rooms, but they're €50, so we're not going to do that. So we're going to go to Serbia after all. Just crossed over to Serbia! We couldn't find anywhere to stay in Croatia over in any of those places, Ilok or any of them. So apparently wild camping isn't a good option because there's landmines and stuff still. Probably not that, you never know. and there was no hotels, no guest houses, no hostels, no camping. So we found a hostel just over in the Serbia border, here in Back Palanka. So we just literally crossed the border, stamped our passports, and we're going over the Danube in this beautiful sunset. Look at that. What a lovely way to enter the country. There's the Danube, our old friend. Oh wow, look at that. Everything smells and feels like we're in Asia. It's so weird. It feels like the Mekong is there. So anyway, it's only about 2k into the town. It's been a really big day. It's been hot. We've done about 120 k's now, and we're both feeling good really. We didn't know where we were going to end up, and we ended up in Serbia. So there you go. Just leaving Back Palanka and the Palanka hostel. It cost us €20 for the night, and it was absolutely perfect. There's no more free internet in Serbia either, so we are going to rely purely on the book, which we're so good at map reading now, it's going to be absolutely fine. And we're really excited to go and see Serbia, so let's go, see what happens. We're just following the road number 12, which is basically a main road. It's on the Eurovelo 6. There's two Eurovelo 6s here. There's one that takes an unpaved road, which is in red, I think, on the signs, and then the green one is on the paved road, but it is a really busy main road, as you can see over there, and it just goes on forever, and there's no hard shoulder or anything, so the buses and lorries and stuff come really close to you. And we literally just saw people drinking booze in this petrol station. So we had a really quick coffee because we needed a bit of energy boost, and then
get off the road for 2 minutes.
Yeah, just a little breather. And we'll be in Novi Sad, which is the second biggest city in Serbia. We're going to have a nice lunch there in a restaurant in the old town. Everything's really cheap in Serbia, so it's not going to kill the budget. Day 66 on the road, and we are in Serbia heading down towards Belgrade. We're well over halfway now and going to one of the main last cities on our trip before we get to Istanbul. After then it's pretty much truly into the unknown. Going through these little Serbian villages, very undulating, very interesting though. There's loads of life, it's just great fun. I'm not even annoyed, it's actually still quite funny. Funny, isn't it, Hazza? It's absolutely hilarious. Every time I go over the tiniest of bump, my back falls off. Useless. Today we've gone for some burek for lunch, and this is a local speciality. Seems to be in Eastern Europe in general, but it's like thick layers of sort of pastry with potato and meat, and has got the chicken and spinach, or?
Better cheesy.
Not chicken, I meant cheese. Absolutely delicious.